Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I'm just hoping, guys, that you now know how to create your report writers, guys. If you still confused, please go watch my previous video, guys. For those who are still new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post another content, guys. My name is Tio Sabanga Bangal. I'm gonna help you guys for you to pass your CFS, guys, with flying colors. Okay, on my previous videos, guys, I've created your report writers, guys, even your report columns and your report lines, guys. So now I'm just gonna continue from, let's say, let me show you how to print this, guys. Okay, uh 1.4.2, guys, let's say use the report writers assistant to make a pastel printout of the report format of the budget report, guys, with index description my budget. Okay, cool. Go to your system, guys. You're gonna click view, general ledger, report writers, guys. Okay, cool. This one you can press yes or no, it's still fine. Okay, it's still loading. It's loading up here, guys. Up here. So on this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do your report write in your budget report, guys. Okay, cool. This is going to print the format, as you can see, guys. Please go watch my video, guys, where I explain all this options. Okay, cool. We need to print my budget on screen. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it looks like, guys. Okay, this is what we were required to print, guys. This is what we are required to print. Guys. If you know how to record this, guys, these are easy marks. Okay, start again. We take this page, guys, also. Okay, cool. Let's assume that you do have your printout on the table, guys. Okay, cool. Please, this one, they said if you do not print your own format, you're not gonna get marks, guys. Okay, 1.5.1, use the report assistant again to display the budget report, guys, with index my budget, created in 1.4.1 on the 28th February 2015 with amounts in MS Excel on screen run, guys. 0 report lines. Yes, guys, they said we need to display a budget report. And also, guys, please go back to my video where I talk about your budget report, guys. There's no way you can be able to continue from this one if you haven't done your report writer, your budget report and your report writer, guys. There's no way. So you need to know how to create them from scratch, guys, so you can be able to continue and get your full marks, guys. Okay, cool. I assume that each and everyone who's watching this video, guys, knows how to do your budget report, guys. They say we need to display a budget report under Excel, guys. You can display under pastel and under Excel, guys. It depends on the question paper. Okay, let's go. Okay, cool. They said we need to print what? Print, guys, a budget. Don't get confused. They say you need to use your report writer assistant, guys. Some of you might go here. Okay, let me close this. Some of you might come here to edit general and balances, guys. Budget. That's because they said you need to display your budget report. No, guys, but the question paper says please use the report writer assistant. Where do we get our report writers? Under view, general ledger and report writers, guys. Okay, sorry about that, still loading, guys. I'll show you how to play your budget report, guys. I do on both ways, under pastel and under Excel, guys. Okay, let's wait. Okay, go to my video where I explain all the options, guys. Now we're just moving, guys. I'm just displaying this on screen. Let's say we need to display 0. Okay, cool. Let's check the date. The date is how much? Is 28 February. 28 February. Go here, which is period 12. Okay, cool. It's fine. Then next process. This is going to display, guys. Okay, cool. This is your pastel, guys. Pastel printout, guys. This one. But they said we need to take this information to what? To our Excel, guys. They said we need to take this information under Excel. Start. Just change this to Excel, guys. Print. Everything is fine. Then next process. Yes. Okay, this is our Excel, guys. This is how it's gonna display, guys, to your Excel. Okay, but note, do not print the report yet. 1.5.2, do the following in Excel before you print the budget report. Make sure you exported your own report to Excel, as no marks will be rewarded if you make the changes to the one of the existing pastel reports, guys. See 1.5.2.1, add a dead money column to the report. Type column heading is April 2015. Okay, cool. How do we add a column, guys? Let's say add a dead money column to the report. Type a column heading April 2015. Okay, cool. Here, guys, we need to add a column here. That's what they said we need to add, which is what does it call? Money column, I guess. Money column. Heading is what? Is okay, it's April 2015. Let's write here money. Okay. 1.5.2.2. They said use the formula. Use formula and cell reference to calculate the amounts for April in Excel as follows. 1.5.2.2.1, calculate the incomes for April by adding 10% to the income budgeted for March 2015, guys. Okay, that said, guys, we need to add what? 10%. Calculate the incomes for April 2015 by adding 10% to the. Okay, it means, guys, we need to add 10% to this amount to get the figures for April 2015, guys. So 10% of 89,900 is how much, guys? Let's see, 900, right? 10% is how much? Is 8,000. Is 8,000. 8,990, guys. 10%. So your amount is gonna be okay. That's because it have it has 10%, guys. That's why. So they said for incomes only, guys. Okay. 1.5.2.2.2.2. In April 2015, all expenses are expected to be 5% more than the expense. Okay. In April 2015, all expenses are expected to be 5% more than the expenses budgeted for March 2015, except for the salaries and rent paid that will stay the same. Okay, it means, guys, our expenses will change. We'll have a additional 5%, guys, but except of rent paid and salaries, which will remain the same, guys. So you're gonna add 5% here, 5% here, 5% here, guys. Then you get your amount. Okay, 5%. Okay, cool. 1.5.2.2.2.3 show the total incomes and the total expenses for April 2015, guys, which is your incomes. Okay, this amount plus all this amount, guys, is gonna give you the total, guys. Okay, I'm gonna see something. It's gonna give us our total, but our format is missing something, guys. There's nothing that's written profit, but guys, you need to plus this minus your expenses, gonna get your profit, which is your total, guys. This is your income statement. It's very easy, guys, very easy. Thanks for. Then they say calculate the net profit for 2015, guys. Then use your income minus expenses, guys. I've just said it. Okay, they say insert a footer, insert a header, your examination number left, and print out 5 right. Go to what? Insert, come here, page, footer, header and footer, guys. They said left is examination number. Remember, we're using 5 digits for these videos. Then press tab, you write print out 5. Let's say adjust the column width so that the names of the accounts are visible. Okay, cool, guys. So if you have, as you can see, this account, let's say adjust it, you just come here and double tap, and you can be able to see it. But this one is very long, so you can drag it if you want to, so everything can be seen, guys. This is what they said you need to do. That's the only thing you need to do, guys. Let's say let's go back. Display all the amounts as integers, 8,000 separate but no sanctuary sign, guys. It means, guys, this amounts, they don't have to have commas, guys. So you're gonna highlight the whole thing and come here. Choose the currency. Okay, let's use rand, since that's the currency we're using, guys. Let's use rand. I think it's the last one. Okay, cool. This one is okay. This one. They said our amounts, they don't have to have commas, guys. So you're gonna come here and decrease your decimals. As you can see, our amount doesn't have commas, guys, but this one have commas, guys. As you can see, this is how you uh, move your commas. They don't have to have, oh yes, they don't have to have commas, guys. Insert any horizontal and vertical lines to enhance the appearance of the report. Okay, cool. This one you have to highlight your report and come here, guys. Set horizontal white. You can click all borders, guys, so your report will be visible. As you can see, guys, this is our report. Sharp, that's it. Okay, cool. But do not make any other changes to the spreadsheet. Save the document as budget and print one portrait page. Okay, you can print this budget in two ways, guys. Come to file, then you go to print. We have two, guys. There's one called a portrait and a landscape, guys. As you can see, I'm now under portrait, guys. Portrait is the one on the page, guys. As you can see, this is your landscape, guys. So please bear in mind how they want you to print your budget, guys. Look, 22 marks, guys. It's very easy to get this, guys. Very easy. Please pay attention. Thanks for everyone who was tuning in, guys. For those who are still new, guys, please invite others so we can learn and pass with good marks, guys. Thanks for everything, guys.